Hi everybody, my name is Gie Brown, Gie Brown Lifestyle Changer, and if you're watching this video, congratulations, you have joined Paparazzi Accessories and you are now an independent paparazzi consultant. Congratulations. I'm going to take you a quick tour through everything because there's a lot to learn, but don't worry, we're here as a team to help you. The first thing is our team page. Here you have Team No Limit because there's no limit to what God is going to do in your life, in your business. I would like for you to scroll down to right here where it says announcements. Click on See All. And let's see what we have. Everything in here is important to you. For instance, right now we have a team challenge going on. Here's another one. Everything is geared to help you build your business because team is together. Everyone achieves more. That's what team stands for. All right. As you go down, the things that are extremely important starts, well, all of them are. I give you little scripts that you can use. I'm showing you now how you move up in the paparazzi ranks. That's a video. How to recruit and talk with people. Your elevator speech. Now the most important part back here are these three videos. I'm going to scroll to here first because this one is Start Your Empire Part 1. This is Part 2. And this is Part 3. As you can see, this one is just, it's a must that you watch them all. You watch this one, it's just showing you how to build your business. This one is showing how to make money in the business, and this one is showing you about the tax breaks of the business. All right, you'll have the welcome video. This is the importance about inventory. This one is the one that you're watching now. I'm showing you how to create your online store with Square. We'll cover that. Where you can't post your jewelry. New consultants, please read these. All right, over here to the left is the word files. If you click on files, I want you to open each one of these. Go through and open each one of these. You will see a plethora of, and it has see more. So make sure you do that. Okay. That just takes you a little bit inside of our team page. Now let's get started. When you joined, an email came to you giving you your consultant ID. And inside of there, you also created a password. You are going to go to your site, click log in, and you're going to put in the ID, you're going to put in your consultant ID and the password that you created, which will bring you to the main page. You're going to go here to my back office. Before I jump there, right? Nope, go to my back office. When you go here to my back office, you have these tabs across the top. Resources will give you a lot of information as well. You're going to click here on, right? I have a picture, you won't just yet. My profile. Edit my profile right here at the top. Now this is where you go. It should have your name. Now replicated site information. Right now your website is paparazziaccessories.com/your consultant number. Everyone won't remember your consultant number. So this is where you change your website. Mine is paparazziaccessories.com/gbrown. You think of whatever it is that you want it to be that someone is going to remember. Most of us has just put either our first initial, last name, but if your name is common, possibly they won't have your information. Somebody else is already using it. Okay, so, and there's no spaces, no gaps, none of that. It's everything one word. You don't have to put paparazzi accessories. This is it. So a lot of times when it's not working, it's because you didn't follow through with this part. I need for you to put a story in. Your story will change over time. But make sure that you have that information in. Go down to the bottom and click Save. You're going to use a link to set up a Square account. Get with your sponsor and make sure you use their link. You'll get $1,000 in free in processing fees. Make sure that you do this. You need to go to postable.com. This is how you spell it, postable.com, and set up a free account. Mine is postable.com/Gie Brown. This will help keep your addresses and email addresses and names of your customers. So as you're selling online, if they fill this out, you will always have their addresses. You're going to set up a pirate ship account, just like a pirate, as you can see. Set one of these up. This is free also. This will allow you to ship packages at a discounted rate. Sign yourself up for Cash App. We use Cash App a lot, sending it between consultants, and sometimes you're out vending and people have Cash App accounts and they can Cash App you the money right away. You can also sign up for a little black card, so as money is on there, you can use that as well. You can take your business to another level by going with GoDaddy. If I'm going too fast for you, watch this on one device and pause it and then play around on the computer on another device. With GoDaddy, there's a code for it also. It's in one of the files that I showed you. I'll probably put it down in the description here, where you can get a domain for 99 cents for the first year, and then I think it's $11 or $12 for the second year, a total of $13, and you can start branding yourself. I am also GieBrown.com. If you go to Etsy, ETSY, and click in paparazzi, some paparazzi accessories items will come up. This is not from the company. I'm only showing you this because, example right here, there are some business cards. The price is $4.99. This is for the digital download. Okay, a lot of these prices for cards, $4.99. These are the digital downloads. You give them your information, they will give you a digital download. And what you can do is go to Vistaprint and upload them. I'm not telling you this is the route you have to go. This is just a suggestion. There's a code for Vistaprint to get 50% off of your cards. I know this one by heart. VP500BC. So you can put that in, but I'll have that code down in the information as well. Now I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to hit New Order. This is back at your website. Okay, let me show you how to shop. Right now, I did this. I have a few items in my cart. All right, so that means I took my time and kind of looked through and said, hey, I want these items here. I click on Grid and I click on Max. All right, this takes me right down to the max. All right, my cart is full with what I want. When new releases hit, what I normally do is scroll down to the bottom. And like right now, I see these two bracelets. Well, what's going to happen? The screen is going to shift and change as they're adding the new pieces. This is not the time to shop. This is the time to click and see that new pieces or whatever that you want, and you add them to your cart and click out. Okay? If you fool around in here and say, oh, let me see what this, let me click on this and see what it looks like. Oh, that's cute. Oh, let me see what this one looks like. Oh, that's cute. As you can see, if you click on the picture, you will get the full view. Oh, that is really cute. Oh, wow, let me see what this one looks like. Well, they got the wrong picture in there. You're going to end up losing some of your pieces because in your cart does not save them. All right. In your cart only have them, the first to pay is the first to receive. All right. So as you can see, clicking on them, you'll see it. Get that in your cart and check out. All right. You're going to be disappointed, but it will be okay if you lose some of your pieces. All right. But I want you to be able to see that. Up here, Blockbusters, this is our normal line. These are our normal line, our normal pieces of what it is that we have. If we sell out of those, they'll be back. Our new Z collection comes out today. And as you can see, in 4 hours and 30 minutes, it will hit live. This is the new collection. We also have our urban collection, which is our men's collection. So just take your time and click on them. But when it's time for new releases, set your clock for 2:50 p.m. They normally hit by 3 p.m. My time here on the East Coast. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for listening to me. If you have any additional questions, go ahead and get with your sponsor. And let me just say again, super proud that you have joined. I normally do trainings every Tuesday around 7:30 p.m. But if there's anything that you want to know, just ask. Have a great day.